like that. Kind of like that doji candle at 7 a.m.
Hello.
Yo.
Yo,
Jan, I actually just texted you,
I
but
just saw.
dude, like I'm sitting here and my stomach has been nonstop rumbling in hunger for the past like 5 minutes plus.
See, that's not good.
Dude, I might pin more Reddit today.
True.
I mean, listen, I'm not gonna be the one to tell you, but pinning more Retta might not be the answer to your solution to your problems.
This is very
And
true.
are you calling me fat?
No.
So what is the solution?
The solution
If
is
you're hungry, just eat empty calories.
yeah.
Hell
If you don't
no.
want, if you don't want actual calories, if you're not wanting to actually eat, just eat empty calories.
Nah, bro, I'm trying to get lean.
Go grab
Well,
a-
yeah. So I'm like, if you eat fucking like lettuce, that shit has like that's just not gonna make you gain anything. You're just gonna be full.
Go get,
Bro,
go get
I
a plate
promise
of
you one of
lettuce and a couple cans of fucking Diet Coke. You'll be good.
Literally, lettuce and water, bro.
Bro. No, honestly,
You gotta
I think
grind the lettuce in the water.
I might up mine to 1 milligram twice a week, Jan.
That's crazy work.
Sheesh.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, I'm taking.
Bro, you're gonna look like clavicular, bro.
Yeah. Dude, my boy.
Bro, what Jan's on more than that.
I'm on 2. Dude,
Yeah, that's
my boy Chris, he's taking the Retta right now. He couldn't eat. Well, you know what he did to fucking get his calories in, bro? Disgusting,
What?
bro.
I'm scared.
He grounded up half a pound of fucking chicken breast and half a pound of ground turkey with fucking water and drank that shit, bro.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
People do
I'd
that.
rather
Yeah,
force
people do
myself
that.
to chew than drink my food. That is like, dude, the texture. Imagine the texture of that shit.
It's inhumane,
Fuck
bro.
that. Fuck that. I wouldn't even give that to a pet. That's actually insane. Water and grounded up meat.
Jan, is this 15-minute bearish valid?
Yeah. Look at my screen.
You think?
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah,
What about
we might get the rebounds today.
I was watching this 15-minute bullish,
We're
but I
gonna-
don't think that's valid because it closed so deep in, right?
No, we're going to previous day low.
Wait, let's see. What's the VIX at? VIX
You-
back at $19.
You mean the 15-minute inverse, right?
Shut up.
I'm not joking. We're going to previous day
No,
low.
no. The change.
Bro,
Oh,
what do you call it?
But I was talking
Those,
about the bullish one, that 15-minute bullish wick thing.
No, I like bearish, honestly.
So you like that wick?
I like bearish, yeah. I like that wick. But
Yeah,
it's
that
not-
little like top wick is kind of crazy. That round off.
That was coming out of the 15-minute. Honestly, that change in the state was clean there.
Yeah, I just that.
We have a what's it called? We have SMT at this low. Hopefully this pumps us up higher. Retrace, smack bitches short, bleed all day.
Yeah,
That'd be solid.
I'm gonna be watching like an OTE retrace to get in on puts for the day, because I want to see previous day low, honestly.
Jan, but we also have that 15 at like 740ish.
You mean that the one we tapped, but we didn't tap all of it? Like there's still some of it at the bottom.
No. Well, like yeah, but I was just referring to just like the bullish reaction off of that. Like
Yeah, I think the market's rounded off though here. We swept out previous day high or previous week high. That's all-time highs. Accumulation, manipulation into it.
SMT
Yeah.
at all.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I mean, the main thing, bro, is like the daily has printed green for like what, almost 2 straight weeks or more. Like
Jan,
this shit's gonna pull
should
back
we swing
eventually.
puts, Jan?
Well, I mean, maybe. What I want to do though, I took a loss yesterday on options. I took a $400 loss. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and get in filled like on OTE of like a pullback, and then just hold options for the entire day.
Do you want? Let's open some fucking swings too. Fucking short this bitch. We have so much rebalancing we have to do.
I know.
Market
This is
cannot leave that.
Unless
Yeah, listen, but that's something. That's like something where it's like, you know what? I'm willing to take that risk. I'm willing to take that bet that we're gonna rebalance before we just obliterate all-time highs again. Like, Even if we get another
Let's see.
resweep, I'm swinging. I still like it.
How low do we? I feel like
I hope we
'Cause-
retrace.
NQ and oil are going to be inverse, but oil has like the rest of this new week opening gap to fill, meaning it has to go lower.
Yo,
And if oil goes lower, wouldn't indices make a little pump? I'm not gonna lie, they crashed oil. That is insane. Bro, Jan, those gold shorts ran another 30 points after.
Yeah, that short last night was actually clean as fuck.
I literally caught like the top of the move. I just didn't like that hold. It was basically a swing trade. That shit was annoying. Gold is dumping right now still.
Jeez, yeah.
Breaking news. Trump expecting U.S. to make quote unquote great deal with Iran.
Bro, he's been saying this shit for 2 months.
All right,
This
that's
shit is
good.
like
That's good. We wanted to pump up to OTE.
Yes, and then we want him. At OTE, he's going to be like, "Nah, fuck them. We're dropping bombs," and then that's it.
literally. Wait, Trump on Iran and the UAE. He says there's a currency swap underway. The fuck does that mean?
Probably the fucking bricks, bro.
Jesus. Moscow insiders retain voting control.
We tabbed negative 2.5 perfectly here.
On this move down, right?
Yeah.
Get down there. Wait, where are you?
I mean, so my question is like, this leg down, like starting at like 8:35, this leg down, like, how accurate is it? Because it's from the Trump. It's like from Trump talking.
Also, like the 8:30. Oh, like this distribution that you're saying right here.
Yeah, like just this little like move down.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know where the indicator is pulling it from, but it's pulling some dev from the top, and it lines up perfectly with negative 2.5 down here. And then also at the top, like the 740 high, was negative 2 of London distribution.
Got you. I mean, from the top, it literally looks like that all-time high sweep is gonna send us a little lower.
I agree, honestly.
Pretty rounded off. Overnight was like pure consolidation as well. I would kind of look at like that sweep as a manipulation. And then New York starts to distribute lower.
Order flow is saying that they're not accepting higher volume, higher prices and volume, meaning
Makes sense.
they want to see lower prices. Them bitches want to see lower prices.
So essentially, when you look for a move up and when you look for price to stall and start like projecting on the move up, you're short.
Ideally.
Yeah. In a perfect world.
Yeah, but when we talk about NQ, I don't really know.
I mean, let's see. We got this 15-minute gap around like 8:45 in price. We have an SMT in that, but maybe we get a rebound on both ES and NQ into that gap, and then that sends us.
You guys want to see a crazy screenshot? I'm gonna send it.
Let's see.
I'm gonna send it to you guys. You guys gotta check the dates, check what I said, and then with the charts, you gotta check the dates and everything.
Let's see.
Bros make me do hella work.
Yeah, no, I am, but it's pretty sick. It's because I'm him. Like, you gotta check.
Oh
It's because I'm.
Nah, you gotta check. It's pretty insane. It's really just the top part, and then go look at March 27th.
Was it the bottom?
It was literally the bottom, bro.
March 27th.
They know the bottom was the 31st.
I mean, yeah, my thing is just like,
Yeah, I mean, it was 1 day after. That was the
oh yeah,
Monday.
oh yeah, it was.
Literally the bottom. I was like, dude, if you're telling me that you're getting squeezed hard right now, that means that retail's getting hit fucking hard. Now's the time to buy, bro.
But it was.
that's free.
That's a perfect indicator of price.
Bro, it's so crazy.
Literally.
When and you know what? When you know stocks are expensive and we're due for a reversal, when you're walking around the streets and you'll hear people saying like, oh, like, should I buy stock? Should I buy Bitcoin? Should I buy? That's when you know it's over.
No, I knew it was cooked once I heard fucking like moms talking about buying AMC and GameStop. That
That's
was
Yeah, so-
insane.
that was really the top for me, bro.
Yeah. Literally everyone's like first instinct when they decide to invest is Bitcoin. Should I buy Bitcoin, bro? I'm not gonna lie. Like crypto in general is not even like if you don't know like how structure works on charts, you should not buy any kind of crypto, I feel like.
Unless you want to buy and hold forever.
Yeah, like if you get like a crypto ETF, I feel like that's valid. If you're just holding actual shares of like just raw crypto, I feel like just risky as shit.
Yeah, but scare money don't make money though. At the end of the day,
That is true. But all those guys that had like only crypto ports when crypto took its shit, those guys they didn't know
Well,
what to
yeah.
do. You just can't put your eggs in one basket.
Dude, so many opportunities we missed out on.
shut up.
It's just I feel like it's just one of many opportunities at this point. I mean,
Why are you saying that?
we're gonna deal with this shit for another 2 fucking years, bro.
Yeah, sure. Hopefully more to come.
Like, you think about it, in less than a year, Nasdaq came down to 17K, and then bull ran back up to almost 27.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, why didn't I buy the dip?
Well,
That's what I'm
bro,
saying, bro.
I literally like. It just makes sense why a lot of people didn't buy down there. It's just like they do that shit sketchy as fuck every time. Like,
Dude, they scare the fuck out of you. But when
Yeah.
it seems like the world, literally, dude, if you just buy when the world,
I mean, if everyone's scared, yeah,
about to end, you
that's the
just
thing.
buy.
Yeah,
You
I
just-
think
you
the
just-
main thing is like the way they do it. It's like if the dip keeps dipping, it's gonna be bad. Like that would be like a big dip. You go buy the dip and it dips like another 5-10%. Damn. But yeah, they just do that shit super scary. Like chart wise, like technical wise, it looks perfect. And then it's just like you go look at what caused, and they're like, yeah, we're gonna wipe Iran off the entire map. By the way,
bro.
Yeah, no, didn't the day that we closed the IFG, he said like today like a whole species of humans will be erased or something?
dude, it was
Yeah.
insane.
He said
Like,
something like that.
bro. And then we're like mid rally, and then it's just like, okay, deals are being made. 2-week ceasefire, straight open. Weekend hits. It's like, actually, we lied. Straight close. We're about to bomb them. It's like,
But then the
oh.
market still pumps fucking 800 points, right?
Eventually, the market is just gonna stop. Like, it's gonna stop running on that catalyst. Eventually, like, he can't just keep repeating himself over and over, and then it's like artificially pumping the market.
Or can he?
Bro,
He probably fucking can.
he fucked up, bro. He screwed us. He should have gave us another buy signal like last time.
That is true, right?
I would
That tweet was
Should've gave us a
crazy.
buy
I would
signal.
not have faded it this time, bro.
Pre-market New York, bro, tweets now would be a great time to buy, and then I just watched the market just face rip off the 9:30 open. I'm like, oh, okay, he was dead ass.
He was dead ass. That's the craziest shit.
Like that was insane. That has to be illegal.
At the end of the day, who's gonna stop him?
I mean, yeah, that's why he keeps
Nobody.
doing this shit.
They try. Oh, you can't do this, can't do that. But they're the ones who are actually doing it. They're the ones that are actually the ones buying. So,
Yeah, very true.
what are they going to do? They're not going to fuck themselves over. What are they going to report on themselves? Fuck that.
It's unbelievable.
Yo, I'm not kidding. I really have the urge to just hit buy at 9:29.
Today.
Should just hit buy.
I think we just pop right up at the open.
You think we're gonna keep making new highs? We might, could.
No. Like into a retrace.
Like into a retrace. Okay, yeah.
I think unless we just wick lower, but I really think like looking at everything right now, I just feel like we're losing momentum here on the downside.
I like a resweep into that like 5 minute. We take out all this like low resistance 1 minute highs to that 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we flip back. That should align with some fibs too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we do have SMT down here, but I don't know. It doesn't look like it'll hold. Like ES should definitely break that.
Make it easy today, NQ.
Dude. All right, I'm gonna bounce. I'll catch you guys later.
Bet.
Bro. What's up, fellas? What's up, Rod?
Yo.
What's up, fellas? What's up, Rohan?
Dum, 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 dum.
I didn't realize my boy just closed out his TQQ position for 120% gain. I didn't realize you can't offset like sports betting losses against gains like that.
Yeah, like sports betting and like those losses versus like stock market losses are different, I think.
Yeah, I didn't realize that, honestly.
I think Kramer had told me something about that when I'd asked him.
Kind of crazy to me. Yeah, that's who is saying it right now.
Yeah, that and like, bro, it was hilarious, bro. So like, so he was like going through my statements, right? And he's like, oh, he's like, is Stake another like trading site? And bro, it's because like I rinsed like 3K on Stake playing blackjack, and I was like, nah, I was gambling.
It's alright.
Bro, I haven't touched that shit since, bro. It was so fried. Everything was going good, bro. They switched the dealers and it all went wrong.
It's crazy, man. It's fucked up, dude. I don't like honestly, dude, I used to gamble so much and now I don't.
You can't beat the house unless you're gonna sit down and go play like poker and you're gonna be good at it. But it's like, yeah, casinos really just go spend a couple $100 and then leave. They fucked up putting them online. Yeah, looking at this 5 minute, I really just want to see this retrace before lower. Ideally, if we could leave Asia low, could get the retrace and then short for Asia. That'd be nice.
Nice little retrace. 5 minute maybe, you know?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Like that.
It's the only like gap that we have up there.
I hope that we get something. Not just fucking
Hopefully just don't jump, like just don't.
just no Diddy, please.
I'm pretty sure JD Vance is supposed to negotiate with Iran today in Pakistan.
Okay.
That's what I heard yesterday. JP Morgan Chase gives the S&P a $7,600 target by end of year.
7,600?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus. Just another like I don't even know. 14% is that? I don't know if I'm doing the math right.
I think it's somewhere like, I think it's between like 7 and 14, some shit like that, like in that area.
Jeez.
It'd be a pretty insane move.
Yeah.
They're basically trying to say that like we're just gonna be bullish for the rest of the year.
Mm-hmm.
They're saying it's based off of tech and AI momentum, like in general.
Wow, that's
Fair enough.
insane.
So they're basically saying there's no AI bubble like everyone else thinks. They're gonna leverage that so hard. I think everyone thinks it's gonna be like a .com bubble with AI, but like I also feel like tech companies kind of prepared for that.
Honestly, I don't think that they're that like yes, we might be like, you know, overextended in like the AI business, but like honestly, I don't think that it's like an AI bubble, you know?
Yeah, I don't think.
I mean, we could be, but like just because like I mean, I can admit it, like I'm a natural bear. Like I like to see the market bleed and fall. And like I've wanted that to happen for a long time. And like it only happens at certain points. Like when everything's aligned, like when news is aligned and the charts are aligned. But honestly, if it were to like actually have like a major correction like people have been talking about since 2020, we got you know much bigger issues. And I mean we've said that before, you know, like
yeah, I mean that's true. Like these companies get liquidated to that extent, and there's more to worry about versus like are they beating their margins, and is AI even worth?
And honestly, the government's backing these companies like I just
super
feel
hard.
Like I feel like it's too big to fail, you know?
Yeah, there's too much money like inside of it, and like like not just money, but important money.
Hmm.
Money that like they wouldn't just liquidate. Yeah, I mean, anytime AI looks like it's gonna take like a tank or crash, it just goes higher.
It's
Literally
crazy.
fades everybody.
It's crazy.
Hmm. See, coming into open, starting this like retrace hopefully.
Yo, who's taking a shit right now? I saw that. you, ain't,
Wait, what do you?
you ain't slick. I saw that. That was funny as hell.
But I got the pre-market bubble guts.
All right, let's run it.
Let's get it. Yeah, ideally, I just want to see this retrace. ES is still like pretty far from Asia, so if we move down, we'll have an SMT there, probably for a little bit.
But, yeah.
Anything lower than Asia, I don't know. I don't know what targets you like lower than Asia. I feel like that's kind of like the range lows.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, definitely be wary in that area. If we start displacing, I mean, realistically, probably want to trim most off at Asia, just because you don't know.
It's valid, yeah.
But there
Yeah, it makes sense.
are no fair value gaps. We tapped that 15-minute, but I mean, even a 5.
Maybe it'd probably be like equilibrium of like this bottom to top on the higher time frame would be like your next target, maybe
Yeah.
around like 735 ish.
Honestly, JMac, I like previous day low as well. I do think that that's going to be the overall draw. I'm going to try and hop in puts today and try and hold for previous day low. I do like that as like the ultimate draw.
That would be solid, yeah. We just have to be super heavy.
Yeah, for futures, I think like equilibrium is a really good place to target for futures.
Yeah.
You know, around 718-ish, maybe a little bit before.
Kind of back into that range.
Yeah, this trendline liquidity is super nice. Yeah.
Yeah, 718 is also like yesterday's like point of control area. So like pretty much where yesterday's where we had like the most volume traded.
Okay, that's good to know as well.
So that's solid, yeah. And for this current session where we failed to hold above value area high, we're below point of control right now. So I mean it does kind of look good to go lower, realistically. And we have that like sweep of those all-time highs there, which we didn't hold above. Everything kind of points to a rebalance lower, for the most part. We're also like on this round off, making like these lower highs, we're making lower lows on the way down. So we're definitely kind of flipping structure.
Definitely, yeah. I mean, I like bearish. I really do.
Yeah, and like if you look at like 8:30, we had like a 5-minute like inverse, but it failed like right away. Kind of tells me that probably don't have willingness higher.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, people definitely had to get finesse on that because it was a sweep 15-minute tap and like 3 candle inverse on the 5.
So this is like an example where I try to implement that not buying like the inverse when it's in premium of the range, because I just did that, and that inverse, that's market
Open, yeah.
But that inverse, closed in premium of that range.
Ooh, what the fuck? That shit swept Asia on the open, like.
Oh, London swept.
Everything just got swept on the even true day open got hit, or your 6 p.m. open.
On NQ.
Yeah, on minis.
Yeah, micro SMT then here.
Yeah, micro SMT and overall SMT with ES. The fat SMT now Asia.
Yep. Wow, that's a crazy flip again. Down.
Holy. We are correlated, so that's at least decent to start. That 718 area is still decent. It's like 718, like 19-ish. Thing is like there's really nothing to hold us up in price in this leg. So like previous day low could just be, we just might just melt. It's very possible. It's like that opening wick up just wasn't enough.
No, I agree. I wanted to see some sort of a higher retrace, but
All we do is put like a internal SMT there.
I mean, Jesus, dude.
Yeah, what the fuck? I don't even think there was like a 30-second or like any seconds flip to start either.
Nope, there was nothing.
Jeez.
Dude, there's no way, bro.
We literally asked for this not to happen. We just open and dump. No, it's not ideal. All right, let me mark out. I'm gonna mark out that equilibrium. Looks like we're just plummeting. I have it at 735. You said like 718. You took it from like the low, like the lowest point, right? That previous day low.
From previous day low to the top, I have
Okay.
718. Yeah.
But I mean, ES is like delivering off of the hourly inverse. So I mean, that looks good.
Oh yeah, ES does look good there actually.
Yeah, I mean that 718 area looks like we might come down there. On the 15, there's like relative equal lows at like 709 there. I don't know if you see that from like
Okay.
3:45 p.m.
Yeah, micro swept it out actually, that low. But
Oh, did they?
yeah, that's valid. Dude, it's weird.
Yeah, I think there's that SMT there too.
It's weird when it's like that.
Yeah, it really is. Like, I don't really know like how valid micro SMTs usually are. Jeez, man.
I swear, bro.
I mean, at this point now, it's like you gotta wait for some retrace to happen.
No, we can't just jab it.
You don't want to bottom blast this shit. We have these like kind of stacked 1 minute gaps. This smaller one we just tapped, and then we have this bigger one above it. Let me see. Mark out the line here. That equilibrium is just so close too.
I mean, there's nothing. Yeah, we really gotta wait, you know. Unfortunately.
Yeah, ES is catching up. It's gonna probably break the SMT at Asia, which if it does, then I could assume we go lower. Maybe like if previous day low is truly the target, maybe it's just valid like letting price displace more towards it.
And then trying to grab an entry, yeah.
Because technically now where we're at, we don't really have like true like draws on liquidity.
No, yeah.
We have more like just kind of internal levels. But yeah, I mean this daily candle looks like it's definitely flipping. It definitely just flipped red from the top.
Yeah.
The weekly is starting to come down off of that sweep. The SMT. What's today? Today's Tuesday. That could. What if we just put high of weekend today?
I want to see retrace into OTE here.
From the 930 high.
Yeah.
Valid.
0.705 lines up perfectly with midnight open.
Oh yeah, I see that. So you're taking yours. You put like. You told me how you did it. It's like something like with the like. It'll be like a wick and then like a body instead of like wick to wick.
Yeah, so the way that a lot of them, like the top and bottom tickers have been doing it is wick to the lowest point, like the lowest wick, and then the body close of that lowest wick of the body.
Ooh, okay, I see.
So like
Makes
now
sense.
that we just broke the low, we would readjust to whatever
Right.
wherever this candle closes on the 3 minute.
That makes sense. Is that shallow retrace really just gonna send us?
Dude, it better not. I mean,
Because every other day that retrace gets bought right back.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
I mean, we just took Asia there. Hopefully,
Yeah, ideally we just want to see like if Asia gets ran, like we don't hold it as a sweep. I'm just gonna assume we keep going. I mean, the 5 minute close through it. Now we just want to see ES like trade through it and then could continue. We also could like we have that previous AM low at like 568, then that previous day low at 535, and then weekly open at 599. So they all kind of sit on top of each other. We just got to see how weak price would be because we'll have to move like 200 points to get there.
Yeah. Hopefully this gets ball back up here.
Let's see. Do we have any 5-minute? Might make a 5-minute gap in the next like 3 minutes. It's 15.
Bet Rob.
I would kind of watch this 15-minute gap that we came into. Like we kind of swept this low, tap this gap.
Mm-hmm.
Ideally, like if we close that, we should continue. Even if we like retrace first and then come down and close it.
Yeah, that would be really nice close. Just confirm lower prices.
Yeah, because that'd be like the last confluence in this leg on this 15 at least that would hold us. And then after that, it's just these like levels inside this range. Is Trump still talking or is that done? I have no idea.
Honestly, I don't even know. Dude, it's bad. I don't even check Forex Factory anymore.
I like barely ever check it because like the news half the time means nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 10 a.m. Fed Chairman Designate Warsh testifies.
Nice.
The fuck does that mean? I've never seen anything on the calendar like that before.
Crazy.
Red folder. He testifies on what? On banking, housing, and urban affairs. Interesting. So I guess we have 10 a.m. news, but it's gonna be like a speech. I don't know if I like that. It's kind of lame. Okay. We did tap. We like wicked into a 3-minute SMT inside of that. Still have a minute and a half. This 5-minute might form.
Dude, they're so discorrelated because MNQ didn't take it.
It didn't tap in that 3-minute.
Nope.
Jesus. Yeah, ES didn't tap. MNQ looks like it didn't tap. That's why I'm doing. YM doesn't look all the cleanest for the first time
Honestly,
in a little while.
I'm like stop watching YM.
Yeah, I really only watch it for like this correlation and move.
Mm-hmm.
SMTs a lot of the time don't matter unless it's like a session is SMT or something like SSMT.
Yeah.
Bro, what? Are they just gonna dump this shit? Honestly, this would be a perfect area to get this 5-minute to retrace and then continue.
Mm-hmm. Come on, NQ.
Stall right here, come back up, sweep these range highs, and then displace again. It's like no way they're gonna use shallow retraces to send price out of all this time.
Today would be the day that they do it.
Insane.
SCP.
Yep. See, that 5-minute would kind of align with the macro. It'd be nice. I've been seeing people saying that the macros are starting to like be significant again. Like we're starting to get moves now in the actual macros.
But I just want it to be easy for one time.
Yeah. That equilibrium's pretty close here, like 18 points away. See this 15-minute. So that's 4.5 minutes. We could close this 15-minute gap and then keep grinding lower realistically. I would low-key, like, if you do trade lower, like, for, like, the previous AM or, like, low of day from yesterday or whatever, I'd probably target, like the bodies instead of, like, the wicks.
Valid.
Because those wicks are huge. It's like on the hourly, like the bottom wick on the hourly is like 70 points. All right, 5-minute opened up here.
Yeah.
Yes, just tapped it. I'd want to see like volume pick up once we do tap into it.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, I want to see some nice retracement, but
Yeah. The SMT with ES could hold. I really don't like playing off of gap SMTs. I like using it like I'll use it as like analysis, but I hate taking entries off of them.
That's valid. Yeah.
Because it's like, who's to say NQ doesn't like tap into it at some point?
No, 100%. You're right.
But yeah, I don't like how these candles are printing since like 932. We need to start seeing like more solid candles, less wicks. This would probably be a great time to see what order flow looks like.
Honestly, yeah. See if buyers are getting trapped down here or sellers.
Right. Because that initial move was super strong. We came down and then started to like reject lower. But we're also definitely not like reversing either. So now it's just kind of like a decision point. Kind of see what price wants to do.
Yeah, like what's gonna happen here?
Yeah. Because I mean, we very well could end up flipping and continuing to just grind higher, make new highs again. Like that's not impossible.
No, definitely not.
Let's see, it's 15 has 2 minutes left. Ideally, a clean setup would be us getting that 5 minute like with some speed and then coming back down and inversing the 15 in the same move.
Yeah. That would be clean.
I think that'll be solid. Prices used to pick up though in speed. We're just slowing down super hard. Holy gold reversal. Fuck. Damn.
I want to see us tap this 5 minute, get some sort of reaction out of it.
Would be valid, like a mini AMD on the 1 minute. I've really come to realize that we all just trade AMD.
Oh yeah, I mean everything's basically some form of AMD, you know.
Literally.
That's the best. I mean, highest probable trades in my opinion, you know.
It is true. I mean, bro, even the guys on Wall Street have said AMDs are real. Like everyone just calls it like a different thing. Like
Really?
they'd probably call it like a stop hunt or a raid, whatever. Like
Yeah.
opposite end getting like liquidated for the real move, and then we call it an AMD, but it's all the same. Yeah. That the Einstein guys from Wall Street said it.
I've seen that guy. Yeah.
He actually doesn't disagree with ICT. He just thinks that they're all just repackaged concepts, which is valid.
I mean, that's valid. I think so too, honestly.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see, we got that 5 minute here.
Yeah, we got that 5 minute.
Let's see.
He's like one of the longest running stock traders.
Like Wall Street traders? Yeah, I think so, yeah. That means he's seen like NQ pits before like you could just trade like on your own accord.
Wow. Yeah, he's like he was there for like the actual pink slips and everything, or the red whatever those red papers or whatever.
Yeah.
Pink slips is cars.
Imagine being financed, bro, for like 40 years.
Insane.
All right, let's see. I just don't like that, like how wicky from the bottom. Like every little like dip down is getting wicked.
No, I know.
Okay, this 15. So the 15 held that, ended up technically holding that gap with the S&T.
Okay. Yep.
We dug a little deeper in this 5 minute. ES is a bit stronger here. Tap C of the 5 minute on ES.
Okay. This looks pretty strong.
It's pretty good volume off of that.
Yeah.
I took the fib from like the 930 wick high to like the wick low. We did tap equilibrium. I don't know how like your fib is set up, but we might have tapped like OT depending how you set it up.
I see what you're saying. Yeah. We did get a 30-second alert here.
That wouldn't be bad. Kind of looking at this 1 minute CISD. It's just like I hope we don't come back into these wicks and then just kind of pop back up.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna wait for probably the CISD too.
I think it's valid.
Take continuation off of it.
Just for some extra confirmation.
Yeah.
Because the ideal play would be like this 5 minute we come down and then close the low of day. So like we run them out and then continue. But like the entry on that would be fucked up. You want to get like a better entry ideally. And we need ES to start correlating as well.
Yeah.
That's the other thing too. ES has just been super strong on this whole rally. Like, I'm not really sure what the like difference is.
It really is weird. I don't know why it's super strong.
Like, I think there's like a 1% difference of like this correlation even between like share price. All right, NQ, don't just start stalling. You gave us the first step. Now we need second step confirmation.
For real.
It's just ES dragging it up. I don't see a world though how anyone could possibly be long from down here confidently.
Nah.
This is definitely sit on your hands area. I can't believe we opened up, gave not even like a minute of volume, and then just died. Like, what kind of shit is that?
It's so messed up, bro.
Literally 1 minute of volume, 9:30 to 9:31. It's like, okay, if you didn't catch that move, get fudded.
It's so messed up.
Like, what is that?
You long 740. That's I gotta check. Hold on.
Pretty strong here. ES ES like a sloppy V shape, but it's V shaping. Huh.
740 is crazy. What did you take it off of? 15-second inverse or something?
740. Bro, he had to play that rejection wick or something. That's a solid ass entry.
CE of the range. Damn.
It's the new chairman. Oh, so the guy talking at 10 is the new chairman. We're taking over for Powell.
Oh, word. Okay.
Interesting. See a range rejection wick. Honestly, yeah, I mean, damn. Potentially sellers were getting absorbed down there. ES is trading above this gap now. ES is just super fucking strong. Like, Jesus.
Yeah. About to put an SMT at high day.
I mean, when you look at that bottom, all those wicks, like, bro, I really wish I could see order flow because it'd be simple as just seeing delta and you would know if like absorption happened down there for 100%.
Honestly, that was valid, Rod. That was solid.
Was it the 5-minute wick rod they used? I would assume. Jeez. But even then, like on this flip up, like ES flipping up, like NQ is just not like it's not mirroring that.
I mean, am I crazy for wanting still lower prices?
We did tap that CE of the gap there. It really like ES just has to correlate. Like I feel like that's the only thing that's like throwing this off is ES is just dragging higher. Because even in like that little consolidation, like ES was kind of slow grinding higher while NQ like just stalled.
No, you're right. Yeah.
So I mean, we very well could short. It's just a matter of which one is the lagger, like which one's lagging. Maybe this 1 minute inverse low key.
I just don't like the correlation between them. Like, if
I don't like how price prints. Yeah.
Yeah. Like, I'm gonna probably fade this, and then it's gonna play out. But I want to see ES fucking come down too. Like, they're not correlated at
Yeah, ES needs to like these candles. It needs to like correlate. Like on this candle down here, ES is still green, which is like what the fuck.
Yeah.
I mean, realistically, I mean, look at the 15-minute wick and then like the SMT with like with Asia. We saw that SMT there or no? Oh no, ES actually took it. We have like another SMT lower from like 4:30 p.m. lows. I mean, that 15-minute close, like I wanted to see it inverse and it literally closed back above the gap. And now we're wick filling it. It's just weird. I mean, because like you basically can't confidently long or short right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's 250-50.
Just nothing for us yet.
And ES is coming back into like a 5 minute that it barely wicked in the pre-market. So I would look at it as like a pretty much an unfilled 5. ES did inverse from the bottom, but like look at NQ compared to that move. It's not even close.
Yeah, that 5 minute flip is kind of crazy looking, but
Like if we get that on both pairs clean, not bad, but NQ couldn't even make it past the 50% of that gap.
mm-hmm.
We'll just wait and see. 8 minutes that Fed chairman is talking, so definitely want to be a little more cautious with that. Not sure what all he's going to talk about, but I'm pretty sure it's like his first like speech since he's been assigned.
He's gonna come in and fuck
So
everything up, bro.
very possible, man. Very possible. If he does anything like how Powell does, we can expect some whips on potentially. Holy palm! What the fuck? You have S&T at high of day now.
Yeah. Rod, what steak are you guys tonight? Ribeye, New York strip. It's a good trade.
I hate how good these like rejection wicks look to me in hindsight. Like just after the fact.
Yeah. Taxes cooked me. Yeah. I feel you. Listen, you know how you get around that, right? There's a simple solution to it. You just don't pay them.
Exactly.
What are they gonna
What
do?
are they gonna do? Come find you?
Yeah. Are they gonna really spend all those resources to come get you? I mean, fine, let them, bro.
Exactly. You know how much money they're gonna have to spend to come and get your money?
Sheriff will fire me. Fuck.
Fuck.
Nah, but if you want help with taxes, I mean, I know a good amount for this year. I could definitely help you.
I mean, the Keswick's indicator indicate that 1 minute gap, that retest. Let me check.
Let me see.
Maybe not because of the way it printed. Let's see. Oh, it did.
Oh yeah, it did. Wow. A minus.
Wait, it also has a 5 minute marked out from the wicks that we made down there, but it was like a mitigated 5 minute though. Okay, yeah, it's like an old 5 minute like that we had tapped twice in price yesterday, but it like counted for it today.
The super small one because we swept out those lows inside that 5 minute, so it was valid.
Okay, yeah. Bro, I'm about to. I don't want to buy like that order flow shit is kind of expensive, but like I know for a fact down there, like order flow said that like we might not go lower. Like those wicks definitely like we're getting absorbed. I gotta know. I gotta ask Tyler if he saw that or something.
Yeah, I was just gonna say you can ask Tyler for sure. Wow, even we had an entry at like 8:30. That's pretty insane for Keswick.
Oh yeah, I do see that. Damn, holy top tick. Like literal top tick. It's actually clean.
That shit's crazy.
Keswick's indicator indicated back to back right here. By the way,
Yeah.
it indicated the lower 1 minute, now this 1 minute here.
Yep.
This 5 minute has 4.5 minutes to close. But I mean, like looking at NQ, perhaps we can say NQ's a lagger.
Yeah.
Maybe NQ's lagging and we are going to end up going higher. But I mean, honestly, what I've been doing is if if I like shorts and then we end up printing higher and it's like I'm just not fully confident, I'll just let it happen and then just like I'll just fade.
No, that's totally valid. Wow, dude, this second Keswick entry fucking.
It's delivering.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, hey, at the end of the day, we still have like all-time highs on NQ at 901. You could always wait until it's just obvious that we're going for that.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to take something to it. It's like, I think 90 points away now. 90. And then ES. ES still has like that previous week high.
Yeah.
And all-time highs overall.
Yep. tell me what you're thinking, Hyman.
Keswick Mall's very safe.
Very safe.
Yeah, I mean it is because it only indicates like it's like time based,
Mm-hmm.
so it only indicates at a valid like a valid macro.
I mean, that's valid, Hyman. You're right.
I was basically trading like that 2022 model for like September and October. We're just trending lower and
Mhm.
just taking every retrace short. All right, then. Well, we just bought everything up.
That second fucking Keswick entry is crazy, bro.
It's a unicorn too.
It's insane.
Little 1 minute unicorn. Fair value gap order block. Well, we disrespect that entire huge 930 gap. We are trading above the 5 now. It's like, damn.
Yeah, it is like damn.
Honestly, though, I mean, it's just kind of like there was nothing was obvious. So,
There was nothing even to take, honestly. I mean, unless you took the 2022 or you're wrong and you bottom ticked.
yeah, you take the rejection wick. I mean, that's the thing with those rejection wicks. Like, you can sit there and risk 200, but like your RR is like maybe a 4R.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, even if you get taken out, if your idea is still right, you get a re-entry. Like, the only thing with it is the win rate. RR is amazing, but the win rate is just like
A little
a
lower.
fuck your psycho. Yeah,
Definitely.
could definitely mess up your psych. Yeah, maybe we just grind higher. I don't know.
I mean, shit.
We got 2 minutes so that speech starts. From my past experience, when anyone is talking, I refuse to trade this shit.
Yeah.
You could be in a perfect position and all they can do is say one word and your position gets slipped. Yeah.
Good
The keyword last year was tariff.
tariff, yeah.
Good afternoon. 10% spike down. See what happens here then. ES tapped into that like pre-market 5 minute gap. And Q's kind of still a little bit below that. I don't know if shorts still look good anymore though.
No.
I don't think so.
Nah, yeah.
We stalled way too hard at the bottom there.
Yeah.
That's really all it was. We opened with volume, came down, and then ranged super hard.
I mean, dude, honestly, like, I'm fine with that. Like, if I have, like if I wanted to see something happen and it doesn't happen, and I don't take anything, like, to FOMO in, like, I'm fine with that, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, you basically still read price the right way.
Yeah.
You just read it right enough to not take anything inside of it.
Yeah.
Because we have multiple ideas, like, to be bearish in that area, and then none of them happened. So it's kind of like basically no trade. We wanted the CISD out of the 5, and that didn't happen. Yeah.
That's true, yeah.
Honestly, just solid.
I can't believe we actually bought all this shit back up, bro.
Yeah, I can't believe we bought it up like just like out of thin air. Like we didn't like build the move up. We just started the move.
Mm-hmm.
Just immediately start buying back.
That 5 minute, that 5 minute close and it made a market structure shift.
Let me check. It did. You're right. CISD. We have 5 minute CISD, and it looks much cleaner on ES, but also have a gap inside, so it's like a BPR.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Not bad. All right, NQ's leading now, I guess.
I mean, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
We just going for all-time highs now?
I guess so.
Rod, you still in, bro?
Sheesh. I just realized, like, Keswick's entry had no drawdown.
Nope. Closes all valid, dude.
Holy. Yeah, it's a solid trade. Wow. Wow. But I mean, discretion-wise, like, discretion-wise, maybe you would take, like, you would want the 5 minute to inverse, so would you truly take that entry?
No. I mean, like for Keswick, you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
See, personally,
Like, I feel like I would have taken the close, like, if the close out of that gap made the 5 minute inverse, that's something I would have taken.
I mean, maybe if I was watching the model, maybe I would have
Mhm.
taken the 952 candle close. We
152.
reacted.
Okay, yeah.
Reacted out of the gap, closed, made another like change in the state kind of thing.
Mm.
It's a strong.
And then you
call.
just break even high day
Yeah, I'd probably
and hold.
maybe take something like that.
That's solid, honestly. I mean, yeah, because at that point in that area, it's like clear as shit. Price is not wanting to go lower.
Mm-hmm. Put your stops below like the wick of 950. You know,
Yeah, like that wick low inside the gap.
we're respecting that gap. We should not come lower than that. You know,
Yeah, it's super valid, honestly.
this is crazy though. I'm sure Keswick took this trade.
Would be a textbook continuation. I mean, we just didn't have like high conviction and bullish bias, realistically.
Yeah.
And then there was just a lot of lack in correlation down there too. Like ES looks a little cleaner, but then NQ is just like just goes from consolidation to just pump. Finally out. Made back last night. The London loss. Good shit, Authorn. It's a good entry. Oh yeah, Authorn took that exact entry. Yeah.
Wow. That's valid as hell, dude.
Good shit.
That's exactly what I was saying.
It's insane because like if you can trade like a robot, you could just use that entry model only during the macro every day, and you either get the model or you don't, and you only trade that. And if you like trade it right, you should be profitable with it.
I mean, dude, we also have the setting for require macro time.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
So you can make it even more picky.
Exactly. I don't know. I think I'm just a pussy.
I mean, I don't know. I wasn't like 100% on side with longing, and at the same time, ES like made SMT at the high of day like a while before we got there,
True, yeah.
and then started stalling a bit. I just look at it like we didn't see what we wanted to see, so there was just nothing to take. Even if the move happens, like it didn't happen like within our system.
Mm-hmm. And honestly, like coming into the market, the 15-minute looks super nice for just like lower. But I mean, in hindsight, I mean, I think you said it like you wanted to see that 15-minute get closed through to like confirm bias or whatever, you know, like.
Yeah, exactly. Either, that 15-minute gets closed or, that 5-minute gets hit and we close back through low of day, break that and continue.
Exactly.
And then that 15, like wicking back up above the gap, like just kind of told me like, I don't know, maybe we're not going to go lower.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, it also didn't confirm like higher for 100%. Like we could have just kept ranging.
Exactly. Yep.
So
order, you're 100% right. Money saved is money earned.
Yeah, it's super valid. I mean, think about it. I'm sure a lot of people tried to short during that little range down there. And I mean, definitely got stopped on it.
Yep. Gap SMT, fucking whatever, you know?
Mm-hmm. Like anyone that trades purely mechanical with like not a lot of discretion, like probably got chopped out down there.
Yeah.
Realistically, that 9:30 open, like if we're going to open with that much volume, you'd expect like to hold that volume, we get a retrace and then just continue to flush.
100% agreed, yep.
So, I mean.
And if we got that 1 minute CIC, like.
Yeah, then at that point, valid, right? Because there would have been a nice displacement candle to create it. Mm-hmm. Nice break-even spot. Honestly, I'd say it's still like a W day. You read the market well enough not to take anything.
W, honestly, yeah.
I think that guy's talking now. Should we?
Oh, yeah.
So NQ ended up actually catching up to ES here.
Yeah.
Like, perfectly.
Keswick didn't update to the new 5-minute fair value. Yep. Is that supposed to be like that? Like where it doesn't? Or is it supposed to be to the newest? Do you know
I think
for the model? I think
the model is just mainly based on the lower time frame, so I might not even pick up like the 5-minute entries.
Oh, well, you have the indicator, right?
Yeah, I just turned it or I turned on the wrong one. Let me turn it on. Where is it? Here it is. Let me see. So you're saying like this 5-minute like market structure shift and then this gap like right below it, it should alert that?
Yeah, so like the 955 gap, should it alert that? Should the entry move to that, do you know, for the 2022? Or does it stay at that?
Honestly, I feel like technically it should.
I feel like that too.
I feel like it should technically. Maybe that's just kind of like a coding thing.
Yeah.
It might just have to be something to get coded in. Ideally, yeah, it should use the gap that like made the structure shift.
Mm-hmm. Fucking Dodgy.
Yeah, I don't know why I wouldn't.
Bro, Dodgy took fucking longs.
Jesus. I mean, hey man, I guess don't fade the trend. I mean, I don't know, but I mean, from the top, SMTs, everything. I mean, we had a good idea, to be honest. It wasn't bad.
Bro.
It's gonna be some bullshit. I just know it.
He took the 954 2-minute inverse.
Sick. That, but if it failed, he would have said that you shouldn't have taken the close with that wick, as it was a weak close.
And then there was SMT at high day, or
exactly.
I
don't know, man. Dodgy can have it. I don't even know.
Yeah, that one's all his.
Like, there's some days he'll call like the cleanest inverse, like a pattern trade, and it's like, bro, what do you mean? Yeah, we are just, I guess, just going back for all-time highs here.
Yep. I mean, hey, I'll take it for the long term, but
yeah, at the least. Jesus.
Dude. You know what's crazy? My boys were talking about putting in a sell signal for TQQ this morning. Or they did.
A sell signal?
Yeah. Like, they sold their TQQ.
Damn.
And, I mean, I told them, I think we still keep running. Like, there's no way we just come and sweep all-time highs and then go back to the range. I feel like all-time highs is a magnet. We're going to stay up here for a little bit now.
Yeah, I mean, most of the time with all-time high conditions, we just continuously resweep, make new highs, and then come back and sweep them over and over.
Mm-hmm.
Very true. I just took like a paper entry. It's kind of just like top blasting this move, basically. Playing that kind of like that small 1 minute retrace and some volume. Watch, bro. I'm going to be on paper and they're going to give like just pure up candles, no drawdown, cleanest delivery ever.
Insane, bro.
Yeah, honestly, I guess it's just with these markets, we're just going to have to kind of play every move down like a retrace and just kind of be looking along out of them really until it's just obvious that we're looking to flip like into bear structure.
Mm-hmm.
I'd even peep on the hourly. There's like the smallest 1 hour gap, like the 4 p.m. candle on the hourly. It's the tiniest tiniest gap ever.
On the 4 hour, you said?
The 1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour.
4 p.m. candle from yesterday.
See, that's gotta be a micro thing because there's no gap there. Hold on.
Oh yeah, maybe then.
Yep. There's a micro thing there.
And then the thing is, like, depending like where you took the fibs, like, so if you didn't take the fib from previous day low and you took it from like the AM lows to the highs, we wicked equilibrium at 735, like a little bit below that 1 hour.
Wow.
And price came like 7 points down from equilibrium and then rebounds up. I mean, that's all hindsight anyways. Like, in the moment, I didn't see that shit, so it doesn't really matter.
No, yeah.
But yeah, I guess we're just at all-time highs. It's just long, the retraces. I don't mind it. I think it's just the markets have been so fried so long. It doesn't seem normal for the market to actually just trend.
Dude, it's insane.
Genuinely. Like, look at this. Every 1 minute gap retest is getting used for higher. Like, when's the last time that's happened?
Wow, Slazzy.
Jeez. Was that like a fib entry sizing?
I think the CISD or order block.
Oh yeah, I see.
Or like a wick fill, gap fill. 05 with a
Oh, equilibrium lined up with that order block perfectly. Yeah.
Yeah. That's also I think Powell calls it a gap fill.
Yeah. Honestly, it's a good limit. That's just super unfortunate. So, bro, the new chairman, like the new Fed chairman, it's only like, bro, I'm pretty sure he's like 35 years old.
Wow.
Like, I'm pretty sure he's like borderline just old enough to do that shit.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're not fucking running the national debt or whatever he does.
Yeah, the Fed Reserve.
Yeah, the Federal Reserve. He's pretty young for that. That's what I'm saying.
I mean, yeah, for like usually like for anyone in the government, they're usually like just old as shit, bro. Like damn near like old to the point that they're senile.
Mm-hmm. You better run up a bag, hell yeah, bro. Start
Literally.
tailing his trades.
Yeah, Trump did appoint him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trump was crying about Powell since he became president again. Finally got what he wanted.
How do we tail his trades?
You know, there's a lot of like, so there's like a lot of paid apps that like accurately tail these guys' like wallets, like Nancy Pelosi, whatever.
The issue with that though is that they have to put in a buy order like 3 months in advance from when they buy it. So like,
yeah,
you don't know actually when they're buying it.
Yeah, you got to kind of guess.
Mm-hmm. I mean, they'll give you like a kind of a window, but you still got to do like.
And the thing is, they're taking loose entries because they're like averaging those entries. They're not just like full sizing off the entry.
Mm-hmm, true.
So what? NQ's leading now. Looks like. Interesting. Yeah, at this point, it looks like we're just gonna go make new all-time highs.
Yep.
Realistically, did you do anything for 420 yesterday?
For 420? Nah.
Yeah.
I
Bro said, "Fuck it, I smoke every day, so it doesn't matter."
Yeah, that shit is just a normal.
It's valid.
Dude, I was chilling in bed, right? Like 1:15. Bro, my dad, he texted my family group chat, bro. He goes, "Happy 420, Jan," with 3 dots. And I'm like, bro, fuck.
Bro, why do Indian parents do that shit, bro? They know what they're doing, and it's insane.
My mom's like, "What?" And I said, "LOL." And he goes, "Puff, puff, pass me the bong." I was like, dude, what the hell?
They always make those cringy ass weed jokes too, bro. Puff, puff, pass me the bong. Dude. That is hilarious.
Dude, during winter, I had my bong. Like they just like my dad was a cop for 20 years, so like for me to like smoke, like it's kind of crazy. Just recently, they've been like okay with it, kind of. Bro, I had my bong outside for the last like 6 months, and then he found it. He's like, "You missing something?" I was like, "Oh shit."
Bro got caught lacking. Bro, I haven't had a bong in years. That shit's just like tedious. You want to keep it clean, ideally.
Yeah, well, yeah. So I haven't used it since college. So honestly, it's been more than 6 months. It's been like a year and a half, bro. It's sitting outside.
That shit is moldy.
Yeah. Dude, I opened it. There's like tree branches inside the bong and shit.
Probably a whole ecosystem though.
Yeah, that ass.
Nah, bongs are probably like the most efficient way, bro. Take one like nice little bonger. It'll set you up for the day.
Yep. All right, fuck this.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not taking shit here.
No.
Just this paper trade. I mean, I'm assuming we're going for all-time highs, but I would have wanted to catch something in close to the bottom or the middle. I don't want to top blast this shit.
Mm-hmm.
It's all good.
I did want to take something on options, but
We're not even moving that fast either.
no.
Little Tuesday price action.
Garbage.
Could have been worse.
Yeah.
At least we did something. We could have very well stayed in that range down there and just went to the right. They need to add a to the right button, bro. We can be rich.
Dude.
Let's make the first prop firm that has a sideways button where you can enter to the right.
We would be so rich, bro.
The only catch is you have to have 5% consistency.
Oh shit. I mean, in this market, bro, we're fucking smacking shit every day.
Dude. Honestly, though, I mean, the market's like slowly. Well, I'm not going to say slowly starting to clear up. I mean, it's clearing up now for sure after we started, really after we tapped that monthly gap.
Yeah.
We just started to actually move.
Dude, this is crazy.
I just want to break even on paper. Crazy. I enter on paper and shit just wants to play out structurally valid, huh? I enter on actual capital and we range for 8 years.
Jeez, Lazy. That's disgusting, bro.
Fuck.
Yeah, nah. I mean, when you
Honestly,
don't want-
Sazi, right there, I would have just taken the continuation of displacement, just lowered your contract size and risk less.
it's like when we don't want to fucking chase.
Mm-hmm. It plays out.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's fine. It's way better to fucking end the day flat than red, having to make up some red.
Agreed, 1000%.
I mean, realistically, price wasn't completely sloppy, but I mean, 1,000% could have been much cleaner.
For sure.
It's super valid if you didn't catch anything today, to be honest. It's also this daily time frame. I mean, I don't think in my trading I've ever seen the daily just print green like this many days in a row.
Shit's crazy, dude. Honestly, I can't believe it either.
Even the tariff shit last year, we were retracing on the daily as we moved higher. This right here is just only up. We've gotten one retrace in the daily on April 13th and never came back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't like the trade that Dodgy took, honestly.
That's just a super high risk trade, in my opinion.
Yeah. All right, fellas. Honestly, I think I'm gonna call it here.
Yeah, I'm down to call as well.
All right, we will see you guys tomorrow morning. You see what quad?
Yes, sir.
No, I didn't. Let me just check that real quick.
I need to adjust the settings on that quad syndicator. Tweak with it a bit. See.
Wow. He caught an insane trade. He caught the bottom.
Typical. I'm telling you, brother, had to be some absorption down. There's no way.
That's insane. There must have been, honestly.
There had to be. There's no doubt. Because you said what? He just pairs order flow with fibs and deviations, right?
I think
So-
it's order flow. That's the thing. I don't know, honestly.
He'll look for a fib to get tapped and then look to see absorption aligned with it.
I feel like that's what it is.
That would make the most sense.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do my research on order flow more. Fucking see how it is. I mean, it's not that bad. You really just only have to know how delta and how bid versus ask works.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's an insane fucking entry down there. Actually, what the fuck?
No, it is. It's got to be based off the 1 minute rejection block or something. I don't know, honestly.
He definitely SMT is definitely it has to be in his trades because I've seen every trade he takes has to have an SMT prior to the entry.
Mm-hmm.
So at least I know that. That is an insane entry. The whole lead.
It really is.
W fibs. All right, I'm down to call it.
Yep.
All right, catch you boys in the morning.
Yep. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Later.